Alright, so in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the very hot topics in the world of handwriting, and that is the pencil grip or the grasp, the way in which we hold the pen or pencil. First of all, we are going to see why the grip is important, followed by the progression of grip which happens over the period of time, and later on I will give you some of the tips and tricks that you can use to improve your kids' handwriting grip. Basically, we use the pencil for two different things. First is drawing and second is writing. Now, whenever we draw something, we actually end up using entire hand. For example, for drawing curves, we make the movements with the wrist. Sometimes we use elbow or even sometimes we use shoulder for drawing even bigger curves. But in case of writing, or to be very specific, when we write something in the notebook or in the journal, we only make movements with the fingers. We do not use entire hand in that case. And that's why the grip is very important, because it should give you the required range of motion, and at the same time it should not cause any additional stress on your fingers, so that you will be able to write for long period of time. These are the reasons why tripod grip is always recommended, and as it is most functional as compared to other grips, it is also known as the functional grip. Now, the grip is also a developmental process and it is going to change with the age of your kid. When the kids are below the age of 2 years, they are going to hold the pencil like this. They are going to use all the 5 fingers to grab the pencil and they make the movements with the entire hand. These are the circular motions. So, this particular grip is called the palmar supinate, and this is the stage when your kid is going to learn how to scribble. The next phase happens in between the age of 2 to 3.5 years, when they use all the 5 fingers but hold the pencil like this, where index finger is pointing towards the tip of pen or pencil. Now this is called the digital pronate, and now they can make the movements with the wrist, circular movements, or even they can draw the lines with this particular grasp. The next phase happens in between the age of 3.5 to 5 years, where they actually learn to hold the pencil with 3 fingers, but sometimes they are not able to move the fingers. They will hold the pencil like this, but they will use wrist or elbow for making the movements. So this is called the static tripod grip. By the age of 6 years, they learn to hold the pencil with 3 fingers and they can also make movements with the fingers. So this is called the dynamic tripod grip, and once it is developed, they continue to use this grip for rest of their life. There is another variation of this grip where kids actually use 4 fingers for holding the pencil, and it is called the quadruped grip. Well, that is the standard progression of the grip which happens with the age. But you might have noticed that kids end up holding the pencil in n number of different ways. So the big question is, do we really need to worry about their grip, or do we really need to change their grip? And the answer depends on the 2 different factors. If they are able to make required movements comfortably without causing any additional stress on their fingers, there is no need to worry about their grip. But what if there is need to change the grip? Is it possible to do that? Of course, you can train your kids to change the grip. Now I will show you some of the examples, or even I'll share some of the things which I did with my kids to change the grip. The first thing that you can try is keep the pencil on the flat surface and ask your kid to pinch it with the thumb and index finger like this, and then just turn it over and let it rest on your hand like this. Then ask your kid to provide the support with the rest of the fingers. So this is one way to do this thing. Now the second thing is even more interesting, and I did this experiment with my son. He is not even 3 years old and he is in the phase of using that palmar supinate and digital pronate grip. So he keeps switching between those 2 things. So I gave him a very short pencil, and as you can see, he is holding that pencil with 3 fingers. Now this is the static tripod grip, because he's not able to move those fingers, but at least he's able to hold the pencil with 3 fingers. I also tried different things. I gave him the slate and chalk pencil, and in this case as well, he is able to draw the things with tripod grip. Now he's not able to write, but at least these things are helping him to build the foundation for tripod grip. And the third thing that you can try is ask your kid to write on the vertical surface. So whenever we write on the vertical surface, we end up holding the chalk or pen or pencil with 3 fingers. Alright, so these are the things that you can try. And if you feel that these tips could be helpful, you can share this video with your friends. Thank you so much and see you soon.